The tool I've decided to share with you is one called VoiceThread. VoiceThread is a tool that can be used to create slideshows and embedding sounds such as your own voice to narrate through and incorporate whatever you need to say. It has many purposes, especially ones that can be educational. VoiceThread can be used for teachers or students in multiple ways. One way you can use VoiceThread as a teacher is to use it through a story. I'm going to show you how to make a quick little mini voice thread using Pete the cat and his 4 groovy buttons. In order to make a voice thread, it is free. You just have to create an account. However, you are limited on the tools that you can use with the free version. Once you have created an account, go to the top and hit the Create button. What you're going to want to do first is create an actual PowerPoint slideshow. I did a mini one, only using one page from the book, just to give you an example. Once you have everything in your slideshow that you want to be visible within your voice thread, go to Add Media, My Computer, and put in the file. It will then put in all the slides for your PowerPoint. Once it is loaded, go ahead and throw a title on there, and if you want to add in a description or tags to make it easier to search, you can do that too. Once everything is loaded, go back to the main page here that shows all the slides. To add words or see what it can do, pick the first slide and hit Comment. This should take you to an enlarged version of the slide, and when you scroll your cursor over the front page on the bottom, it should show you this bubble with the plus sign in it. When you click this bubble, it should bring up multiple options. The ABC button adds in any comment that will show up on the side. If you have a picture already saved, whenever you add a comment, whether it is textual or verbal, your picture will show up on the side. And depending on your settings, you may have to click it for it to actually show up or play. If you want to select this microphone, it will give you the option to record your voice saying whatever it is you want to narrate during your slideshow on this particular slide. You also have the option to record a comment from your phone if your microphone on your computer doesn't work or you don't have one, or you can use a video camera such as a webcam on your computer to create a comment as well. For this age, this is perfect to literally read the story out loud to the kids and have a very enlarged version of the pictures so that they can see the pictures better and the words better to be able to follow along. If you want to make a comment, you need to allow your microphone to access the website and it'll count you in. Pete the cat and his 4 groovy buttons. Oops. Unfortunately, since we are recording this, it does not allow 2 different things on the microphone, so it won't allow us to fully incorporate this comment. But you can see how that works. Once it's officially recorded, you hit save and allow it to load. Once it's done, you may move on to the next page and do the same thing here. Another thing that you can do while recording your voice is use this draw tool. You can pick whichever color you want and you can literally use it to draw on your picture. If you want to point to a certain picture or part of the slide to emphasize whatever it is that you're saying. This is basically the gist of how this works. Same thing, you wait for whatever it is to load that you've created. If you want to see it while you're going through it, just click on the button. It'll play back and it'll show you what you drew on it as well while you're going through. Once you have finished this page, you do the same for all the rest of your pages. Whenever you're done, go ahead and hit the X button, and that is your VoiceThread. It automatically saves, so go ahead and go home. If you want to watch it, you come back, you hit that play button, and it'll play for you. If you want to switch up some of the settings, such as allowing it to automatically go into the next slide, go back to Edit, Options over here, Playback Settings, and it gives you all these choices. It can let you use a timer to move next slide, or you can click the button. It is up to you and your preferences, whatever you think will work best for your students. This tool is also great for older students of an older age to be able to use and create their own slideshows, maybe to retell their version of a story or show how something worked and went down in history, or creating something of their own using their own imagination. It's up to you, and the ideas are limitless, but this is a great educational tool for both teachers and students to use as lessons, as a project, incorporate both, and it gathers all different types of learners within the learning environment.